Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Someone asked me, how do you change from capital letter to small letter? Also, how do you delete a letter or a word you typed in? And also, how do you shift or write at? If you want to send email to somebody, how do you write at, okay, for that email or to be able to send it? So I'm gonna show you how to do all that. So what we're going to work on is the keyboard on your PC. Okay, my PC is is Toshiba. Okay, so I want to show you how to change from capital letter to small letter. Okay, so this is how to show you how the keyboard work. Okay, now what we need to do is to go to Window Start. Okay, click Window Start here, then go to, for you to be able to see what we're doing, go to Microsoft Word. Okay, so Microsoft Word. Now what we want to do is to type a letter. Okay, to type a letter you need to type any letter. You can see this keyboard. Okay, this keyboard, you can see the keyboard 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so to type like 10 you need to add 1 and 0 together. Okay, now what we want to do is I want to show you how you can write a capital letter and also change it to small letter. This is what we want to do first. This is the first question I was asked. So what you need to do is to type in capital letter. You need to go to this. Okay, let's say you want to type A. This is A, alphabet A. Okay, now it's in small letter. You can see this alphabet A, okay, is in small letter. So to change it to capital letter, you just need to highlight it and type capital. Put this cap lock on. Once the cap lock is showing, it will be highlighting green. Okay, then you go to this sentence case. If you go to sentence case, you see lowercase, uppercase. So you change it to uppercase. So it changed right now to uppercase. So it's capital. But if you want to write a letter and have it already into capital letter, to make it capital letter, you just need to put this cap on and off button. Once it's on, it will show you here a yellow light, then you type. So from here you can see it's capital right now. To change it to small letter, okay, you press this yellow light cap lock down, the light will go off, then you type. It's now on small letter. Okay, to give a gap on these two letters, you just need to press this button here to give a gap. So this is a gap button. This gap, you can see the gap between the capital one and the small one is big, it's wider. Okay, to bring it together, you need to click back space button. It will come back together. Okay, now I want us to do this in large figure so you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So now we'll change it to maybe to 48. Okay, and change it to the font black. Okay, now you see this is capital A and this is small a. Now to bring this together, you need to go use backspace to put a gap between this. To put it gap, you need to use this button here, this middle space. Press it. Once you press, you can see, keep pressing it, it will be going, it will be moving. Okay, to bring it together, to bring it back, you just need to click backspace. Click backspace. Okay, so this is how to write into small and capital letter. Okay, and like I said earlier, to change it to small or large size, to change this to small or large size, you need to go to the sentencing case. Okay, lowercase, everything will change to lowercase. Uppercase, okay, click uppercase, everything will go to uppercase. That is another way to do it. But also you can, okay, you can remove everything by going back, but also you can remember to do a capital letter. You just need to press cap lock on and type the document, the words you want to type. Okay, let's say vinyl. Okay, everything is in capital. Now to do this small letter, you press lock cap down and type vinyl. So everything is in small letter. Okay, if you don't want to use the cap, you can change it from, okay, you can change it from sentencing case. This here, you can change it from sentencing case. Okay, if I want to change this to uppercase, so click uppercase, everything will change. If you want to change them to lowercase, you just highlight all of them and click lowercase, everything will go to lowercase. If you want to underline this, okay, you want to underline all of them, you click highlight it and go to underline, click underline here. So you click underline, so it's underline. And to remove it, you highlight everything together. To remove the underline, you highlight everything together and click back underline, it will go off. Now the other thing I want to show you is someone asked me how to delete. Okay, so to delete, you can highlight it everything and click delete button. This DL means delete. You click delete, everything is off. Let me show you again. Type it. To type vinyl, okay, and do it bold. You select bold, okay, and change it to area black, or change the font size to 48. Okay, now if you want to, like I said, if you hit select this vinyl and hit delete, okay, if you hit delete, you will delete everything. Okay, if you hit delete, you will delete everything. This vinyl, well, this is the delete button. Or you can actually click back. If you click back, everything will go back. But what you want to do is, this is to delete. So that has gone off. Now the other thing someone want to do is, someone asked me, how do you type email address, someone's email address, like shift. Okay, to type at, okay, let's say my email address is mcvince@hotmail.com. So I want to show you how you can type someone email address. To type someone email address like mcvince, I put this on the capital letter so you'll be able to see it. So it's a bit big. Type the individual email address. I want to make it bold, and 28. Okay, so type mcvince, right? Now what else we need to do is to add. Okay, so to do add, you need to press shift and use the add button here. You need to press shift down and press at. So shift down and press this figure here, at. Okay, this is at. To press at, you need to press shift button down and at. Okay, so press the shift button down, use your left finger and press the shift button down and press the at button here. Then it will show. So this is how to put your email address, then hotmail.com. Now to remove this at, you just need to use this button here, and instead of, if you click back, it will delete everything. It will delete it. You can delete from delete or back. Once you click back, this letter has gone off, so write it back. But if you want to delete in middle of this letter, like we have two at here, so use this arrow. Okay, go inside. This arrow is to go in, okay, to the point you want to. So we want to delete one of these, one of the at, so we shift it. So this is how to do it. Okay, so we have shifted it. Now everything is, this is the email address, mcvince@hotmail.com. To put this email address to lowercase, you select lowercase, everything will change to lowercase. This is how to write email address. You need to click shift and add button. Okay, click shift and add. Okay, so this is how to do it. It's something that someone asked me how to write at. Okay, so how to use shift button. So you use shift to write at, you know, whoever, like we have done McVince. So if you want to do a highlight it, you click enter, everything will highlight. To remove this highlight button, you just need to go back again, okay, and change it to blue. Okay, so to delete, you just need to click everything and delete button and delete. So I thought to show you how to change from capital letter to small letter, or how to use delete button, how to write email address, shift button. You know, like somebody will ask you, could you send me email address? Send it to my email address. So you need to be able to understand to send this email address, because if you this at is email address, if you write it like this, it will just show you different thing, so the email will not go. So you need to understand how to use this sign, at button sign. Okay, to use it, you need to press shift and write it. Press shift down and write at, and press at. So shift down and at. Okay, shift down, hit at once. 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 Press shift down, at once. Press shift down, click at. This is how to write at. Okay, to write McVince, you type, or whoever you want to write the email address, tap that individual email address. Okay, then press shift down at hotmail.com. Okay, hotmail.com. So this is how to write at button. Okay, I thought to show you how to do this. If someone asked me, how do you write email address, how do you write at sign, okay, how do you change from capital letter to small letter, how to delete, how to change from capital letter to small letter, how to delete, how to shift button, how to write email address. This is how to do it. If you're happy with what I've just shown you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumb up, share this video with your friends and families. Thank you very much. Bye.